Okay, this tornado warning has just been upgraded. It is now confirmed. A confirmed tornado has just been announced by the National Weather Service. When you hear Ryan Holiel start playing his sirens, but that's okay. I think that's a little bit of debris. The airflow. That's the airflow.
Continue to watch closely. It does look like Vince might be back live. Let's try him again. Guys, there's so many people that
Again, confirmed tornado 5 miles northwest of Boone. Moving northeast at 55. Take cover now to repeat a tornado is on the ground. Move to a storm shelter, safe room, or interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building and avoid windows. So, yep, take cover now if you're in this area. This is a deadly situation.